Hi, this is Miss Jeffords. Today we are going to read and talk about the passage called Birds as Human Helpers. Birds are found all over the world and are important to people in many places. Here's a picture of a map of the world showing all the different countries. And in the different countries are many, many different types of birds. And we're going to learn how birds can be important and helpful to people. Many people eat bird eggs as well as birds, such as turkeys and chickens. Bird eggs and their meat are a source of food for many humans. We have pictures here of eggs, scrambled eggs, and fried eggs. Many of you may have eggs for breakfast. And in the middle is a picture of a turkey. And a lot of us have turkey for Thanksgiving, or sometimes we have chicken to eat. And the last picture shows a cake mix. And usually when we're baking, we add different ingredients like milk or water and oil. And an important ingredient that we add are eggs. Also, many birds help the plants people eat. Birds eat harmful insects like grasshoppers and beetles that can destroy the plants people use as food. Here's a picture of a grasshopper, and right next to it is a leaf that grasshoppers are eating the leaf and making holes in the leaf. And then there's a picture of a beetle, and right next to that is a picture of a leaf that beetles are eating holes in the leaves. And without the leaves, the plants can't grow. And we get a lot of food from plants like strawberries and vegetables like corn and broccoli and tomatoes. And then there's a picture of a bird with a beetle in its mouth. A lot of birds eat beetles and grasshoppers and other insects, so that helps the plants grow. These are some of the reasons why it's important for people to help protect birds so they can live and grow. Birds can be very useful to humans. Protect means to guard or keep from being hurt or damaged. So again, these are some of the reasons why it's important for people to help protect birds so they can live and grow. Birds can be very useful to humans.